In this video, you will learn how to share someone Instagram reel link on your WhatsApp account. So to share Instagram reels link on WhatsApp, this video is for you. After you open up your phone now, go and open up your Instagram like this now. After you open the Instagram, now go and open the reels that you want to share its link on your WhatsApp. So you just go ahead and tap on this as Cancel Now profile. If the reel that you want to share is your own, just go and open up the reel as Cancel Now under your profile. Go and open the reel. If the reel that you want to share is not your own for someone, just go and open up the reel anyway. Let's say now the reel that I want to share is not my own, or if it is even my own. Just after you open the reel, whether it is your own or not your own, just you will be able to see the share button like this now. Under the share button, just tap on this copy link. After you copy the link like this now go back and open up now your WhatsApp like this. After you open the WhatsApp like this now, tap on this update button. After you tap on this update, now go to this pencil. In this section now, long press your hand and paste in your link. So after you tap on this section now allow it now to finish loading your link, your reels. So now just wait for some minutes. As you can see now here is the link. So as you can see now all you have to do now, you can tap on this share button. So now I share the link, as you can see now, Instagram reel link on my WhatsApp. That's it guys on how to share Instagram reels link on WhatsApp, whether it is your own reel or someone's reels. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.